Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. In this video we'll be taking a look at Kava. We'll be doing some price analysis and have a look at some of the key statistics of the network. I did a video around 3-4 weeks ago now, and I think it's time to do a bit of an update because we have hit some of them targets and it is time to have a look at some potential new buy zones and some potential areas to take profit or trade to. So first up, please make sure you do like this video, but you are subscribed to my channel. Let's crack on. I usually run over key stats on coin market cap, but it's not working again, so we thought we use CoinGecko and CoinGecko t-shirt on, so why the hell not. So Kava, which is ticker KAVA, is currently ranked 136 out of all cryptocurrencies that we have listed. Currently we have a token price today of $1.58. We are slightly up on today's trading. We have a total supply of 113.2 million tokens, and out of those in circulation currently have around 46.8 million. We're getting a 24-hour volume of just shy of $20 million, and a market cap today, which is the 15th of December 2020, is $74 million. If we just have a look at the markets and see where we're getting predominantly most of that trading, as you can see, Huobi is getting a massive amount, 40% of the overall trading against Tether, and then we're getting around another 15% against Binance across all pairs. If you are looking to get hold of some Kava, we are listed on quite a few exchanges. I mean, we have 32 recognised pairs there, so it is fairly easy to get hold of. We have you should be on some exchanges: Kraken, Binance, Bitmax, Huobi, some big exchanges there. So if you're looking to get hold of it, it should be fairly easy. One major point here we need to look at is the all-time highs, and that was $5.49, and that was August this year. So we have dropped 71% since then. So it is time, you would thought, to be picking some up, especially if you're an investor of Kava and you like the fundamentals. Then 71% down from all-time highs would be pretty much a no-brainer. So that's the key stats. We'll jump over to TradingView now and do some technical analysis. Here we have Kava versus Tether, the daily time frame on Binance. We've got enough data on Binance to do the analysis with. I'll just look back on the monthly time frame first, actually. Yeah, we've got data all the way back to October of last year. So we've got a year's worth of data. It's not a ton, but it is plenty enough to go for and have a look at some potential key points. So last time I did a video was on the 20th of November, and that was then. I did say potentially was an area to buy in was in this grey box around the monthly support at $1.37. We have dropped into that. We pretty much bounced off the top of it, and then we have wicked into it now. And to be honest, I think it's started the uptrend really. As you can see, we have done a major retracement. If we just put a fib on, where's my fib? Down here. So if you just take the entire move really, I mean, you could always go back over to there, up to that double top, and we have done a massive retracement. You could call that 78% retracement. It did say on the all-time highs that we did a 71%, and it was a little bit lower than that really. We dropped right down to $1.19, and that was a solid area of weekly support. As you can see, we pretty much nearly double bottomed out there, and then we have shot up, and we are on a bit of a slight retracement here, but I do think that the time to invest was around then. I can't see us coming back here unless the market does turn a little bit sour. I mean, let's just put a fib on from this move here up to there. We have already done, if you look this way, I'll get rid of that box now because it's invalid. We have actually tapped a 78% retracement level, and we've started to move up. We're currently sitting around this 61% retracement level, but I do think it is just time to start pushing up and heading towards this daily level here of resistance at $1.74. If we just do put a little bit of a bearish scenario on this first, potentially you could pick some orders up here at $1.37, but we've already been down there. If you look at his wicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, we've nearly hit that like 5 times, and we've dropped below it. So I honestly think that area is gone. There could be some daily levels around here. I mean, you could say that is a daily level there at $1.40, and then if you look a little bit further up, I think that wick there was one around $1.53. Could be a good area to buy in, but if you're looking at this, you need to have a look at that entire move. Look at that move, and look how far we've retraced. So many profit-taking opportunities happened then, and that's what's happened. People took a profit, and it has come down. We are currently, this is the bottoms for me. I don't think we're going to come any lower, so I would pretty much invest at these prices now. And then what we need to do to target some next levels and start a bullish uptrend is close the daily candle above $1.73. Once we do close the daily candle above this, we can then start to target these weekly levels. They're not a million miles off. I mean, if we just put a price percentage on that from current area now, up to the top weekly level is 35%, so that's not really a massive move in cryptocurrency. Things can move really, really quick, and that could be an instant daily candle and shoot above there. So what I will do is watch this chart. Once we do close a daily candle above $2.16, I will do some further analysis and identify some more levels up here. I've only got 2 weekly levels on my all-time highs plotted up there a minute, but obviously we've had trading around here, we've had trading around here, so there will be some, and trading around here, sorry, so there will be some more daily levels to identify. If I can't quite get the daily levels, I might drop down to a 12-hour, and that will give some more targets. So buying zones potentially this monthly area down here, but these are the next areas to target. We need to close daily candle above 174 and then target these next 2 weekly levels here. If I just put the Hitman on, so Hitman works out when there is a shift in market momentum. As you can see, we was bullish on the 17th of May, and that played out very, very well. We was then bearish on the 3rd of September. Again, that played out very, very, very well. And now we have just turned bullish on the 17th of November. We have had a little bit of a dip here, but in my opinion, we're going to start pushing up here now and start to try and target some of these $3.60. But that's a little bit far in advance yet. This is a main area to target. Once we do close candles above, I'll tell you what, this level here. Once we close a candle above this level, I will do some further analysis, because I think this is going to happen over the next few weeks, possibly months. I think we're going to start pushing up here and trying to push up to some the last few monthly highs. I mean, last time I was up here was September, so I do think we need to start pushing up to and get rid of a Hitman, put the EMAs on. So I use the 8 and the 30. As you can see up here, we had a bearish cross, so the 8 went down through the 30. We then dropped up here. We had a little bit of a bullish cross, but it didn't last long. We had a bearish cross, and now we've had a bullish cross. We have started to come here, but the EMAs have not crossed yet. It was very, very close, but we didn't quite cross. Oh yeah, we did. We got a bearish cross. So we need to pretty much bring the EMAs back up and get a bullish cross around here, and that will maintain some momentum and start pushing us up to higher targets. I was just looking if we could see any patterns there. I mean, if we just drop into the let's drop into a 12-hour and see if anything's going on here. No. Get rid of that, get rid of that, and get rid of that. Drop down to 4-hour, see how that's playing out, and we just have a bit of a zoom in, see what's going on here. As you can see, we are starting to form a little bit of an uptrend here. I'm not a massive fan of uptrend lines, but as you can see, they do work in some points. So that, to me, looking quite bullish at a minute. We need to just make sure that we do maintain this momentum and start pushing up. But this is the first target here, $1.73, $1.74. Once we do break a daily candle above that, I think it's all guns away and we should start pushing up. This move, if we just drop back to the daily time frame, zoom right out. This move will happen again, in my opinion, and it will go higher. All-time highs are there to be broken, and I think that it will be broken. We just need to obviously watch it, monitor the charts, and see what goes on. But I do think that we've been consolidating in this area now since pretty much 2nd of October, between this weekly resistance here and this monthly support. Once we break above this level here, like I said, I'm going to do another video. We'll call that $2 on my nose. Once we break a candle above there, it's going to be guns away and start pushing up. I think I did say I'll do another video there, but I will do another video once we break this a daily candle above this weekly resistance, because I think that is a key area. Getting out of there and closing a candle above it will be massive. I think last time, if you go back in time, last time we closed a daily candle above there, we shot right up, so the potential is there that we can do it again. So that's going to do it for today's video. That is just a little brief analysis on some potential buying zones, this monthly level here, if we get there. But personally, I think it's a good area to buy in at these levels, even at market price, because this next support resistance level is not too far away. So if we push up soon and close above that, then this is the next target. Once we do close above that, I'll do some more analysis and identify some key levels further. So that will do it for today's analysis. Please make sure you do like this video, you are subscribed to my channel, and that you are in my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. You will find the link in the pinned comment and in the description of the video. So thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you next time.